Okay, y'all, we are about to begin the the unboxing of the Atmos Ninja 5. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm taking off the wrap. I feel like I already busted the wrap. That was an easier way for this to come off. Right here. Ta-da. Alright, I'll lift this up. Bam. So, I'm gonna let y'all get to see it. Got the plastic, all that jazz. I'm gonna pull this out. Cool, it's a nice little size. Batteries for the back. This is where the SD card, solid state drive goes. See what's under here. Cause that's a lot of boxing for that to be the only thing. Let's see. Instruction manual. So it's like universal plugs. So you can take it all around the world with you. Boom, 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 boom. More plugs. Let's see, throw the plastic out the way. We can move this out the way too. I believe this is what you use to hold the solid state drive in. So one way or another, this fits in here. I'm gonna not try, but it fits in here, so it'll hold it. Let's see what else. Put this right here so y'all can see what's in the box. See what's in here. And this, I'm assuming this is like so you can charge it in a different way. Let's everything in the box. Right here. Doom doom. So let me see what else I got. I believe this is the HDMI cord that I need for, the HDMI micro, not mini. I need for, I hope I need. If not, I have to get a different cord to fit into the R5. Other thing we have right here is a solid state drive. This fits. Open these boxes up, I tell you. This is a 1 terabyte. I have no idea what this is on here. There's nothing in here. Maybe just branding. Okay. Then you have right here. This is the USB-C cable to USB-C, so you can plug up the solid state drive and put this in here. Is this thing? Okay, this is much smaller than I thought it'd be. I hope I got the right thing. This was like life size. Alright, so I gotta see if I actually got the correct solid state drive for this. But that's the unboxing. We'll be back in a second. See y'all in one. I don't know if my autofocus is on. See y'all in 1 second. Alright, so we're back. So I realized there was 2 things wrong with everything I had bought. One, that was not the right solid state drive, as we could clearly tell. What I needed to buy was an internal solid state drive, and I ended up picking up one of those actually from Staples, which is a Western Digital one. I'm gonna use that for now until I get something else. Kind of mixed reviews, but I just wanted to go ahead and grab something because I wanted to use the Atmos 5 for a shoot that y'all will be seeing coming up pretty soon. Also, one of the things that I also had to get was a card reader for it, so something to read the internal SD drive. So I think I bought the Atmos brand of them, so I don't have to actually take anything out of the little holder that they give you, so it's pretty smooth to use or whatnot. So first this unboxing was kind of interesting. I did not know I got the wrong stuff, but it's fine. I already shot the video, was not about to shoot again, so this is just transparency. If you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much, really do appreciate you. Make sure you go ahead and like this video, make sure you subscribe. Let's just go ahead and say, put in the comments, what is something that you did not realize you needed for your camera or for any gear that you bought, that you end up having to get something else later. Another thing that I was I ain't gonna lie, a little disappointed about with the Atmos is that it doesn't come with a battery. It does come with a wall charger, but it doesn't come with an actual battery for the Atmos. So those are something I had bought previously with it, but that wasn't a part of the unboxing. But just things to know, which just happens in the life of when you're buying gear, especially very niche gear as something like this Atmos. So that's the end of the video. Thank y'all so much, really appreciate you. Have a great day. This is Dean Charles Anthony II. I'll talk to y'all later.